Okay, hello. What we're going to do in this demonstration is to show how to use the random number function within Excel to create or select a simple random sample from a series of data. So what you see on the screen is a list of 25 investment funds, mutual funds, and their annual returns. So it doesn't really matter what the data set is, doesn't matter how long it is. You can use the random number function in Excel to randomize the elements and select a random sample. What I'm going to do is add a label for my random number column. Then I'm going to use the equal RAND function. You type a left parenthesis followed by a right parenthesis to activate this random number function. And you can see it creates a number in decimal form. We simply then have to copy this same function down for all of the elements in the data set. And as you can see, after every function is performed, it actually generates a new random number. And again, that's fine too. The next step is to highlight the labels for the elements in the data set and all of the data values. It's important that you highlight all of the columns. Otherwise, if you were to highlight just the fund column would be sorted, but the return column would not be sorted, so you would lose the one-to-one correspondence between the fund and the return. So it's important that you highlight all of the data along with the random number. Next, select Sort and Filter in the upper right-hand corner of the command ribbon, and we're going to select Custom Sort. I've done this before, so I already have the number label selected, but if I didn't, as you can see, because we highlighted the fund labels as well, we could sort by the fund name, we could sort by the return, or we could sort by the random number that we assigned. We want to sort by the random number. We want to sort based on the values, and you can't see all of this, but I selected the largest to smallest. It doesn't really matter. You can sort by smallest to largest. Either one will represent a random sample. So if I click on OK, what you'll see is the order of these funds will change. As you can see, the first fund is Lord Abet. The second is Diversified Funds and Boston Partners. When I click OK, you'll see those change. Actually, Lord Abet now is number 1, followed by Hartman, followed by Kensington Funds. And you also notice that those random numbers have changed. That doesn't really matter either. So, if I wanted, for example, a random sample of 5 funds, I would simply select the first 5 funds. That would represent a simple random sample. If I wanted 10 or 20, I could just take the first 10 or 20 funds. Doesn't really matter. So that's how you use the random number generator within Excel to select a simple random sample. Once you've sorted it based on the random number, you simply select the number of elements that you want to use in your analysis.